So, Michael, can you give some thoughts about organizing for artsy type? How to start with that?
Well, a lot of times artsy types feel as if it's taking away. They can't be as creative. They can't flow. They can't. It feels like it's taking something away from them. And anybody I've worked with in the past, what I've found is they first and foremost have to change that thought process. And it's not that they're trying to force the change, but they need to see how the benefit is for doing that, so it's better for them. So for example, if they're true artsy, and they want to be able to be more creative, express more, do whatever, if they can look at the benefit, the end benefit. For example, I really don't have a lot of time to do something else that I want, this clay project or spend time with somebody, or whatever that benefit is. Whereas if I was able to, have better time management through organization, obviously, then I would have that time to do that. If it's a family thing, let's just say you have children or a husband at home, and you want to spend more time with them, or if you're helping the husband and you want the benefit to be the husband spending more time with you and your family. So the ultimate benefit is not just because you're helping them. It's not just because you're trying to create more time. The ultimate benefit is what that time is going to do for you. And that time for the creative type is to do that other project that has been sitting there forever, and now they can finally do it because they got organized, they created better structure, which got things done faster, and they now all of a sudden have an extra hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, so that they can do the other creative things that they want. So by being structured, they actually allowed themselves to be more free. And the same thing with the family situation. Yes, it might be a good thing to help somebody do something, and the benefit is that you are helping them, but the ultimate benefit is what happens when you help them, or what happens when you do this. For you, you're creating more time for either yourself or that person, or in this case, it might even be for both. So all of a sudden, by you helping them, not only do they have more time for you, but you have more time for them, or you have more time for the family. So find out what the end benefit is, and then you kind of work towards that benefit. The other thing is, you can have all the best tools in the world, but if you don't have that reason to go after your why, then you're less likely to continue on, especially if it becomes difficult. So if you have the end benefit, you then need to know what steps you need to take to get there. For example, be more organized, do filing better, whatever the case might be, so that you can get that time, and then you can go into the tool that's going to help you get there. One of the programs that we offer is called 7 Steps to Accomplish Any Realistic Task or Goal in 28 days. And it's designed basically to help somebody in a 28-day period identify what it is that needs to be done, and provides the accountability because of the way the program's set up to make sure that they're doing the steps they need. Obviously, it takes you doing it and the action doing it, but this helps people through that process from day 1 to day 28 to get that done. Again, you're not going to do it if you don't know what that end benefit is. So end benefit, the thing that makes you warm and fuzzy, that you really want to accomplish, the things that you need to do there, whether it's filing, whether it's phone calls, whatever it is, to get you that extra time, and then the tool to do that. And it really needs to be in that order, especially for the creative type, because the creative types, without a really good reason to do it, it does feel like their freedoms be taken away. But if they look at it properly, they actually gain more time, gain more freedom, allows them to do more stuff and flow even more.
Thank you.
Yep.